everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Prableen. If you've never seen any of my videos, I usually do DESI Fusion videos where I kind of take you guys through like DESI Fusion fits. Definitely check them out. So today I'm going to be doing another one of those. I'm so excited to do this look. This is everything. Let's get started.
By the way, guys, I had to cut the video like this. There's some things in the back I can't show, so please bear with me.
So my mom and I, we were trying to fix one of my old Anarkali suits. An Anarkali suit is kind of like where you usually wear a pajama in the bottom. The top is basically like a dress almost, or like they kind of call it, like sometimes people can call it a frock suit. This frock suit had been sitting in my closet for years at this point, and so my mom and I were thinking, why don't we like cut it and try to turn it into a lehenga?
So the lehenga is going to be a project for another day. For now, I'm just going to be styling the top.
And so this is what I wanted to pair it with. I really think that it would look so nice, like look at this already, with these leather pants I have from Aritzia. I'm sorry? What? This is so cute! So I got these glasses from a thrift shop. I haven't even seen what this looks like. I cannot tell in the mirror. I have to go look in the mirror. So I know that Aritzia also has like the Melina pants, which people are so obsessed with. I don't have those, and I'm probably not going to go out and buy them right now, mainly because it's freezing cold, not because I just wouldn't do that. So I feel like if I was wearing those pants, it would change the entire look, because these pants, they kind of give more of like a leather business vibe. I would totally pair the glasses with this whole look if I was wearing the Melina pants, and I would pair it with like chunky boots or like chunky sandals. It's like very in right now, that kind of look, and I think that would look really nice. So I'm kind of unsure about the glasses. Because of these pants, I'm kind of thinking just like black, like these black pump heel things. I'm just so excited about this right now. Like, I have been thinking about pairing these two together for so long, and this suit was at my parents' house and I just went home last weekend. I don't know if it's too dark, but like, this is it with the heels. This is so cute. I have a business meeting at like 4 p.m. but then I have a reception to be at like 7, so like, you know. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like this one bead thing that's out of order. I've searched my whole apartment. I don't have thread, so I feel like the only option I really have is nail glue. I've also seen like horror stories about people online putting like nail glue on carpet and it like burning through carpet. So I'm gonna try it on the skirt here. This kind of looks fine. I'm gonna try to hold it there for a little bit. Oh, I think it's working. And ow. Okay. Okay, that's much better. There we go. Wow. Okay, guys, life hack. Just make sure you test before you throw any glue on your clothes. Guys, I just bought so much jewelry. I've just been on like TikTok, and you know those lives where they like all these like people are selling Indian jewelry from home? I am a sucker for that kind of stuff, and TikTok knows that, and they keep showing me these lives, and like I keep buying things. Like I bought so much jewelry, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do a video on like just like a jewelry haul, because I bought a ridiculous amount of things and I have nowhere to be that requires Indian jewelry, but I also wear Indian jewelry all the fucking time. But anyways, this is what I'm thinking. I've had these in my collection for so long and I just haven't like found the perfect look for them, and this might just be it. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think the black and black looks nice? If you're already doing a slick back or your hair is up or something, earrings always look beautiful. They just like stand out so much nicer. I feel like I might do an earring switch. I feel like I want to go for these ones. They're just so pretty. Delaire is like chewing on this toy that I got for him. I don't want to stop him because like, you know, he's living his life. But like also, I gotta look mine. Okay, so I changed into sweatpants just because I know that I don't know what I want to do for the makeup. I have no clue. Like, I need to search for some inspiration. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to change into sweatpants. It's just a little bit more comfortable. In terms of what I had in mind, when I envisioned this look, I really thought kind of the clean girl aesthetic, but like heavy on the eyeliner. So like really doing like eyeliner that's like pulled out, maybe kind of cat eye kind of look. But then like, you know, slicked back ponytail or bun. I'm focusing more on like having my base be done as well as I possibly can have it. And I'm also trying some new makeup that I actually filmed a video of me just trying these new products. So I'm using them. So go watch that video. Once it's posted, I'll link it. So on my nose, I did more of a heavier contour just because I felt like I wanted to have it defined more. So like if you look right here all the way up, it is a pretty intense contour, and I usually don't contour my nose that much. I'm wearing a liquid blush underneath, and I did the blush before I did the concealer. I'm watching Marvelous Mrs. Maisel in the back because they released the 4th season, and I'm so excited because I feel like I love the way that Maisel dresses, and like I always watch TV shows and then get so influenced by costume design or just I just get random inspirations from them. So if you see like a 60s, 50s themed kind of look kind of come later, maybe a DESI Fusion one, don't be surprised because that's why. So I never really go this heavy with bronzer as I am today, but I feel like the no makeup look kind of is like that, or the clean girl look is you want to make sure your base is good because you're not really doing much beyond like eyeliner probably. Right over here, I went much higher with my bronzer. I kept it kind of close to where my blush kind of goes, and my blush was pretty high too. And if you look compared to the other side, it just kind of creates this effect with bronzer, and this is without bronzer. For my eyebrows, I'm doing a classic kind of clean girl look where I just want the eyebrows to be feathered out a bit. So I already put a tinted brow gel on, and now I'm putting on a clear gel. And I want to keep them pretty feathered, so I think that's clean. So this is the eye. I kind of pulled it in. It's very, very thin in the inner corner. I did one eye for the eyeliner, and I am so scared to do the other eye because how am I supposed to literally make it look exactly like this? Like I started and then I was like, fuck, I don't know what's going on. I finished the other side and this is how it's looking. I think that's the best that I can do. Like, I have gone over it with so much concealer and everything. I added mascara to this eye. I'm gonna add it to this eye now. I think I'm gonna wear lashes as well. I did my lips. I went with something a little bit more light pink. This isn't matte, but it's also not like super glossy. I don't know. I like it, but I think I'm gonna throw some lip gloss on. Every single time I put my hair up, it's an opportunity for me to wear lip gloss because I love wearing lip gloss, but I hate when my hair gets in the way, especially when you have bangs. Like, it's going to get in your face. So I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty gloss. I think I'm gonna bring the the gloss down a little. I love gloss. I'm done doing my makeup, and this is the final makeup look right here. I added some lashes in right there. They don't go all the way to the corner, but honestly guys, I'm so lazy right now. I don't have the energy for this. I want to throw some highlighter on. So like in my Wonder Woman look video, I put some highlighter on my collarbone, and because I am exposing my collarbone, I'm just gonna throw some highlighter right over here, and it'll just give it that pop. That champagne pop. I want you to be able to see my collarbones from space. sure if I should do like a bun or if I should leave it in a ponytail. I do know that I want this like middle part and pulled back sleek kind of look, so I have some gel here with me. My hair is so greasy right now, it's horrid. Both sides need to kind of go back the same way. I did my hair, and so like I said, I chose these earrings instead, and then I added these little curls that I like to add in to the side sometimes. For my hair, I slicked it back and I put a bunch of gel in to kind of keep it like behind, so I really hope that that stays. I'm just gonna try it on with this look. I feel like this is such a vibe, like. So this is the look with the shoes on. I can't even see myself in the viewfinder, so I'm really hoping that this is looking nice.
Wow, it's very nice.
Oh my god! Obviously, I didn't shave my legs because it's the middle of winter and where the fuck am I gonna go? I also am pairing this bag. I'm bringing back this bag from my first video ever, the New York City fits look. I just feel like it's all the black and gold that's going on and it just fits in so well. Like, I need to do like a walk in this.
Where are we going?
I also feel like with this, when it could be a look with like the slightest bit of under boob, like the slightest bit. And I feel like under boob is kind of a thing that comes and goes in style, but kind of in right now. I just need like those really long black nails for this. That would like totally complete the look. Also, I love these studs. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think this looks so sick. Like, wow. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. This was so much fun. I really hope you guys liked what I put together. Like black on black on black, but with so much like variety of textures and like the beading and the leather pants and everything. So I'm so excited. I feel like it was definitely unlike any of the other looks that I've ever done.
Totally forgot to mention, guys, follow me on Instagram if you want to see what the photo shoot looks like, and follow me on TikTok to see how the TikToks turned out. I had so much fun making them, so definitely check it out.
I have so many more ideas. I went thrift shopping and I got a bunch of stuff, so I'm so excited. Definitely comment below if you guys want to see an Indian jewelry haul, because I bought so much Indian jewelry and I really want to show you guys. So yeah, and thank you so much for tuning in again. I will see you guys next time. Bye!